You need to hear this if you're a real estate enthusiast. Hey guys, what's up? It's Billionaire here, and let's talk about building wealth through real estate. Look, I get it. You see all these gurus online flashing cash, talking about passive income, and you're thinking, how do I get a piece of that? Well, the truth is, real estate can be your ticket to financial freedom, but it's not about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about understanding the game, making smart moves, and building that long-term wealth. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 main ways to make money in real estate: buying and holding for appreciation, renting for that sweet, sweet cash flow, and flipping properties for those who like to move fast. Whether you're starting with nothing or you've got some capital ready to deploy, I'm going to give you actionable steps you can take right now to get started. We're going deep into the strategies I've used to build my own real estate portfolio, and trust me, these are the same strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start building it, hit that subscribe button because this is the video that could change your life. And don't forget to check out our special offer on the audiobook and book bundle. Get a free trial of our top-rated real estate audiobooks and start learning on the go. Whether you're walking, driving, or working out, you can turn your downtime into learning time. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your real estate game. Alright, so you're ready to dive into the world of real estate? The first step is understanding how to buy smart, and trust me, this isn't just about finding a pretty house you like, it's about treating real estate like the business it is. That means analyzing deals, understanding market trends, and making sure you're not getting caught up in the hype. The first rule of real estate is simple: buy in the right location. Location, location, location. It's not just a catchy phrase, it's the foundation of a profitable investment. Look for areas with strong job markets, good schools, and a track record of appreciation. Think about it. People are always going to need a place to live, so investing in areas with high demand is key. Now let's talk about analyzing deals. You need to look beyond the surface and dig into the numbers. What's the price per square foot? What are the average rents in the area? What kind of cash flow can you expect? Remember, we're not just buying houses here, we're buying assets that generate income. One of my favorite metrics to look at is the cap rate, or capitalization rate. This tells you the potential return on your investment based on the net operating income of the property. The higher the cap rate, the better the potential return. But remember, a high cap rate in a bad neighborhood might not be worth the risk. Financing is another crucial aspect of buying smart. Don't be afraid to shop around for the best mortgage rates and terms. Look into different loan options like FHA loans, which require a lower down payment, or conventional loans, which often have better interest rates. Let me give you a real-life example. I had this buddy John who snagged a fixer-upper in a rapidly appreciating neighborhood for $150,000. He put in some sweat equity, renovated the property, and boom, within 2 years, the value shot up to $250,000. That's the power of buying smart. And then there's Sarah, who used an FHA loan to buy a duplex. She lives in one unit and rents out the other, covering her mortgage and then some. That's what I call a smart investment. Remember, buying real estate isn't just about owning property, it's about building wealth. By focusing on the right location, analyzing deals like a pro, and securing favorable financing, you'll be well on your way to making smart investments that pay off big time. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you need to be rich to get started. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, passive income. And when it comes to generating consistent cash flow, rental properties are where it's at. But here's the thing, it's not as simple as just buying any property and slapping on a fresh coat of paint. You need to be strategic about it. First and foremost, you've got to understand your market. What's the demand for rentals like? Are you targeting young professionals, families, or maybe even short-term renters? Knowing your target demographic will help you determine the best type of property to invest in. Next up, crunch those numbers. You need to know your break-even point. That's the rental income you need to cover all your expenses, including your mortgage, property taxes, insurance, and any potential maintenance costs. Aim for a positive cash flow, where your rental income exceeds your expenses, putting money back in your pocket every month. Now let's talk about location. Just like with buying for appreciation, location is paramount for rental properties. You want to be in areas with high demand, low vacancy rates, and a strong rental history. Think about proximity to transportation, amenities, and job centers. One strategy I've seen work incredibly well is investing in high-demand rental markets. Take Miami, for example. I know a couple who owns a 2-bedroom condo right on the beach. They rent it out on Airbnb, and let me tell you, they're raking it in. During peak season, they're pulling in close to $3,000 a month. But hey, you don't need to live in a tourist hotspot to make money with rentals. I've also seen investors kill it with multi-family properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods. A friend of mine owns a triplex, and after all expenses, he's pocketing an extra $1,500 a month. Not bad, right? Now I know what you're thinking. But billionaire, what about dealing with tenants? Listen, I get it. Being a landlord isn't always sunshine and rainbows. But here's the thing, you can streamline the process and minimize headaches with the right systems in place. First off, screen your tenants thoroughly. Run background checks, credit checks, and income verification. It's better to be safe than sorry. Second, have a solid lease agreement in place that clearly outlines the terms of the rental. Alright, for those of you who like to move fast and see quick returns, flipping properties might be right up your alley. Now I'm not talking about those crazy house flipping shows you see on TV. I'm talking about a calculated approach to buying undervalued properties, adding value through renovations, and selling them for a profit. The first rule of flipping is simple. Know your numbers. Before you even think about buying a property, you need to have a clear understanding of your renovation costs, holding costs, and your target sale price. This isn't about hoping for the best, it's about making data-driven decisions. When it comes to finding a good flip, look for properties with good bones in up-and-coming neighborhoods. Think about it, you want a property with solid structure that just needs some cosmetic updates to shine. Avoid major structural issues or properties in declining areas, as those can quickly eat into your profits. Once you've found a potential flip, it's time to assemble your team. This includes a reliable contractor, a savvy real estate agent, and potentially a designer, depending on the scope of your project. Having a trusted team in place can make or break your flip. Now let's talk about renovations. The key here is to focus on high ROI renovations that will appeal to buyers. Think about updating kitchens and bathrooms, adding fresh paint and flooring, and boosting curb appeal. Avoid going overboard with high-end finishes that might not translate into a higher sale price. I've seen some incredible flips over the years. I remember this one couple who snagged a rundown bungalow for a steal, just $120,000. They invested about $40,000 in renovations, focusing on the kitchen, bathrooms, and landscaping. They put it back on the market a few months later and sold it for $220,000. That's a $60,000 profit in just 4 months. But flipping isn't without its risks. Unexpected repairs, market fluctuations, and even holding costs can cut into your profits. That's why it's crucial to have a contingency plan and be prepared for the unexpected. One of the biggest mistakes I see flippers make is underestimating their renovation costs. Trust me, things always cost more and take longer than you expect. That's why it's crucial to get multiple bids from contractors and build in a buffer for unexpected expenses. Another common mistake is over-improving for the neighborhood. You don't want to be the most expensive house on the block. Stick to renovations that will appeal to buyers in that specific market and price range. So there you have it, guys. We've covered the 3 main ways to make money in real estate: buying and holding, renting for passive income, and flipping for quick profits. Each strategy has its own unique advantages and challenges, but they all have the potential to generate significant wealth. Now that you know how to buy, rent, and flip properties, what's stopping you? Comment real estate if you're ready to take action. Remember, the key to success in real estate is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect deal. Start small, learn as you go, and never stop growing your knowledge and your network. For more insider real estate tips, hit like and subscribe. I'll be sharing my top strategies for finding deals next. Don't miss it. And if you love reading game-changing books, we have an unbeatable deal just for you. Get 4 life-changing books for just $2. Visuals switch to high-energy visuals of book covers and famous authors like Dale Carnegie, Napoleon Hill, and Joseph Murphy. How to win friends and influence people. Build lasting connections. The power of your subconscious mind. Unlock limitless potential. The Richest Man in Babylon. Master timeless wealth-building principles. Think and Grow Rich. The ultimate blueprint for success. For just $2 you get the wisdom of legends. Don't miss out. Order now. Show limited time offer flashing on screen. Don't wait. Success starts with the right knowledge. Click the links in the description. Grab your free audiobook and claim your 4-book bundle for just $2 before the deal expires. Show countdown timer effect and final CTA screen with Start Now button.